Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and confirming you can edit it. That saves delays. Next, decide whether you need visible sheets only or hidden and very hidden ones as well. Once decided, use the fastest method. If you prefer clicks, add the VBA immediate window, or for formula fans, prepare a sheet index area. Make sure to save a copy before running anything that modifies structure. This prevents accidental loss while you gather sheet names. You can extract names quickly with a short VBA macro. Insert a module, loop worksheets, and write names to a list range. This captures all sheets including hidden ones when coded. Once done, you can add code to unhide very hidden sheets temporarily if needed. Alternatively, if you prefer formulas, build a dynamic list with cell, file name, mid, row, and index to pull names without code. This method updates as sheets change. Both approaches, you finish by converting the generated list to values or formatting it as a table so it won't change unexpectedly. Once verified, rehide any sheets you revealed and save a workbook copy to preserve your original. If something goes wrong, for example names are missing, check workbook protection, macro security settings, and whether the workbook is shared, because those interfere with listing operations. If macros won't run, enable them or use the formula approach instead. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.